Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have a couple DIYs for you. The original one won't be, it was supposed to be a trash to treasure, but it won't be done today because what I ordered for it did not come in yet. So I decided to do these ornaments that I've been dying to do. When I went to Michael's today, I went to go try to find green feathers, and I bought one of these grab bags. I've never bought one before, and the lady was bagging them up, and I didn't see what she was putting in them, but I said, well, let me just try one. I don't know if anybody's ever bought one before. I'm sure you have. Some of you have, but I don't think I'll do it again. But anyway, these are supposed to be Halloween stuff, so I open it up, and here's a kid's shark costume, it says. It's the head and the shark fin, and probably about 100 cookie cutters. And it's funny because I think I just threw out a whole bunch of cookie cutters. But look how many there is. This little guy, I have no idea what he is. There's a couple spiders. Um, oh, these little lanterns. They're cute. And I have to apologize. I'm not in the frame. I'm so sorry. I didn't realize this till after I filmed. Thank God this is a short video. Um, but I think I got about 4 of these little ones, and there's one big one. And then there's something in the big lantern, some kind of a little light thing, which I have no idea what it is, but it doesn't work. So that's it for what are they? $4.99? I mean, I guess it's worth it. All this stuff probably cost at least $4.99, but it's just more junk that I didn't need. So back in the bag and over in the corner it goes. All right, on to the first project. I saw this on one of my sites on Facebook, and I thought it was the cutest thing, and I was dying to make it. It's a Grinch ornament. So what you do is I took a big bulb from Dollar Tree, and I went and bought a boa. I figured that was the easiest and cost efficient way to get feathers. So when I got it home, I decided the easiest way to put the feathers in the bulb would be to just push them in, not to cut them off. My plan was to cut them off the boa, but to put them in the bulb, I just pushed them in, still attached to the little rope. And it turned out good. So I cut the part I don't need off, and then I push the rest of it in. This is such an easy DIY, and it's so adorable. Whoever thought of this was so creative. Okay, so that's what the bulb looks like with the feathers inside. And now I'm just making some for the top. And this is where the hard part is. First, I had a little jute twine because that's what I'm going to hang it with. And then I just cut a few feathers off the boa and add a little hot glue. I put them in a little bouquet in between my fingers, and now I'm just gonna push them on the top. Um, as I'm pushing them on the top, I realize that some of them are falling. I don't like how they're laying. Um, so I just keep working at them until I figure out a way to make them stand. I want them to stand like kind of straight up. Um, I do take a little piece of wire and tie it around the bottom to try to gather them together. Um, I really don't know how good that worked, but it all ended up okay. I downloaded a little face off my Silhouette Cameo. I just Googled it and emailed it to myself and then opened it up in a file as a picture, and then I printed it and uh, put it on my bulb. Now, when I just learned that when you're putting a picture on a circular object, you press down in the middle first and then push out to the edges. So I tried to use that, use what I learned, and it worked out pretty good. Because as you can see, it looks like I'm having a hard time, but it turns out really good because thank God I learned the correct way to do it. Because I would have had it all over the place. So I just lift up, I make sure everything's secure, and then I lift up and it laid so nicely. I don't know why. I'm not even a big fan of Grinch. I mean, I do like them, but I just thought this was the cutest thing. So now I'm going to take my top and I think I'm still trying to fix it. No, I'm going to push it in and then you will see the finished project. How cute is that? How freaking cute is it? Isn't he adorable? So cute. So freaking cute. And look how quick it was. Such an easy project. Okay, next I'm going to do the reindeer bulbs. Now, when I went to Michael's, my plan was to use the clear bulbs from Dollar Tree and pour the paint inside the bulb and roll it around and, do it that way. But I saw these gorgeous bulbs. I love this color red. And they were only $4.99 for 8 of them. So I thought that was a great deal. So I picked them up. So I didn't need to do any painting today. And this all worked out because I was a little disappointed that my package from Amazon didn't come today. I wanted to do some trash to treasures and I was waiting on a stencil and it didn't come in. So hopefully tomorrow or Thursday. So this is what it looks like. There's Donner's bulb. And the only thing is I ran out of this one ribbon. So I had to use an assortment of ribbon. And I still think they all turned out so cute. I'm using a piece for, now this is really funny. Here comes Nosy Rosie, and you'll see as she turns around, she's got a, wait, I'll wait till she gets up to tell you. Because it's really pretty funny. I was like, what the heck is that? She has a piece of something stuck on her butt. Okay. And now in a minute, it's gonna fall. So it looks like she's pooping ribbons. She sat on it. Anyway, that's Nosy Rosie. I know I'm stupid. Um, I end up using No, Rosie, don't eat the ribbon, Rosie. And she loves tape. So, of course, I'm showing you this bulb out of the picture. Ugh, I'm so sorry, guys. I'm going to use this box. Well, I was going to use this box. I thought this was a great idea to hold these bulbs because I want to try to sell them as sets. My boss lets me sell some stuff at my job. Um, but I tried to use some cotton as snow. Tell me what you guys think. I don't know. I just don't like how it looks. I was going to just lay them in there on top of the snow, and then I really didn't like how it looked. I'm sorry, I should have showed you guys, but I put them back in the plastic thing and then laid that in there. But I don't know. Maybe I'll just ask some people at work their opinion. But because I forgot, I don't have a picture of it for you guys of what it looked like with them just laying in the cotton. So I just do my words just like I did the Grinch. I just lay them on. I press down in the middle first and then just peel the tape off. Add some ribbon and a little tiny bow. And that's it. That's pretty much my project. I just love that color red. So pretty. So the only thing I was disappointed in is I didn't have 9 bulbs, one for Rudolph. So I have to go back and get another box. But $4.99 was a great price. So this is what they all look like with the different color ribbons. I guess I could, when I go back and get a couple more boxes, I'll probably do them all in one color ribbon next time. I like the black ribbon. Anyway, here's my projects. Here's the Grinch and then my other bulbs. Just a quick, easy DIY video for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit the like button if you did. Please subscribe to my channel. I really need the subscribers. And thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate your time. Thank you. Bye-bye.